Welcome to my English in 3 minutes learning series, where you give me 3 minutes and I'll give you a hot tip about vocabulary and a short imitation lesson to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Right, there's so much to learn, so let's get started. Hello, my lovely learners. I'm Tasha from Learning English with Tasha, and today we'll be learning about the different uses of this word. Whoa! Let's get started then. So, the first thing that we need to know about this word, whoa, is that it's quite informal. We use it mostly when speaking, so our intonation is quite important. Now, one of the most common uses of whoa is as an exclamation to express surprise. For example, whoa, you shaved your beard off. Whoa, you shaved your beard off. In this case, the surprise might be a neutral one, but it's a surprise, and often a pleasant surprise. Did you make that cake? For me? Whoa. Did you make that cake? For me? Whoa. You can also use whoa to show wonder or amazement at something. Whoa, the moon is so bright tonight. Whoa, the moon is so bright tonight. Notice that whoa can go at the beginning or at the end of a sentence when used as an exclamation, but it can also be used as a regular verb, meaning to make other people feel wonder, excitement, or amazement. Now, here's where your turn to practice your pronunciation comes in. You will imitate my voice, my intonation, and the way I pronounce these words. I'll say these two sentences twice. You listen and then pause the video, record yourself on a phone or a tape recorder if you have one, and listen to the playback of your voice. Does it sound like mine? Are you using the right intonation to express exclamation, excitement, or wonder? And are you, most importantly, pronouncing these words correctly? Let's get started. She's an amazing pianist. She wows audiences wherever she plays. She's an amazing pianist. She wows audiences wherever she plays. Whoa, that's such a special gift. Whoa, that's such a special gift. So, how did you do? And most importantly, has anything wowed you lately? Thank you so much for joining me in our first lesson. Remember, these lessons come with a free PDF quiz at the end, which you can download from the link in the description, where you are able to test your knowledge and also go over the main points of this lesson. Now, if you haven't already, it's time for you to click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new lesson, which will normally be on a Sunday and on Fridays. with your regular, longer lessons hosted on Wednesdays. And if you haven't already followed me, you can follow me on across all my social media platforms on Instagram and TikTok at Tasha's English for daily English inspiration. So until the next lesson, love you guys to the moon and back.